Wheatear Stitch is a distinctive and elegant stitch. It's great for decoration, and it's also a good technique for creating simple flowers. Begin with a detached chain stitch, also called lazy daisy. Bring the needle up at your starting point and take it down again near the same place. Pull the thread through, leaving a loop. Bring the needle up within the loop, a stitch length from your starting point. Make a small stitch over the loop to secure the chain stitch. Add small slanted stitches on the left and right of the stitch to complete the wheatear effect. As you can see, the stitch would also be good for suggesting flowers or buds by working the detached chain stitches in colour and adding green leaves on either side. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.